The Analysis tab in the Analysis window offers a way to gain quick access to word definitions, parsing information, and version notes for a number of English versions. For example, the King James Version, New King James Version, and 2 versions of the American Standard Version are each tagged to display the underlying Greek or Hebrew word when you hold your mouse cursor over a word. You can freeze the Analysis window information by holding down the Shift key. Then when you run your mouse cursor over any word in a tagged English version or a Greek and Hebrew version, notice that the Analysis window does not update. Release the Shift key and it will update. So when you have a word you wish to focus on, hold down the Shift key. Then you can move your mouse cursor over into the Analysis window and view further information, or highlight, right-click, and copy that material. You can also enable the Analysis window to only update information when you choose. Place your mouse cursor over text in the Analysis window, right-click, and choose Update only when the Shift key is depressed. That way, as you're reading through various verses and you wish to focus on a particular word, you can hold your mouse cursor over it, hit the Shift key, then see the information for that word. Continue studying, and when you wish to view information, hit the Shift key, and the Analysis window will update. This setting allows you to use the Analysis window information but only display it when you wish. To disable the function to update only when the Shift key is depressed, return your mouse cursor to the Analysis window, right-click, and uncheck the Update only when Shift key depressed. Then you'll find that the Analysis window continues to update when you hold your mouse cursor over a word.